Hey everybody, I'm Tara from Crooked Row, and today we're going to take a little breakout from our farm work and we're actually going to do a DIY chicken roost. Chickens love to roost high and up off the ground, and sometimes we use pallets, sometimes we use gates that we put up on cinder blocks, but I kind of wanted to do something a little bit different this time, and so Elijah and Christopher are gonna come and help me. We're actually going to build this out, and it's very, very simple. It should probably take 15 minutes. Let's head to the chicken coop. Let's get started. What we have here are 2 dowel rods, 4 pieces of scrap wood. We have screws, and right here we have brackets, and a drill, and of course a level. So let's get this started. Okay, so Christopher has just a piece of scrap wood that he's going to attach there, and then we are going to put in these brackets. I'll put this on a link down below. These are super affordable and they are very durable. I hang tomatoes, the strings off of these out in the garden. This is actually where this came from. They're, I think like for 6 of them, I think they're 12 bucks, and they're very, very durable. So we're going to attach 2 of these on that board to support our dowel rod. And that will be the first one that we put up. And then we'll attach another scrap wood, just like that one, above it. Only we're going to use those 2x4 scrap pieces to make it go out a little further, so that way your birds aren't pooping on top of each other. We'll also adjust this on the top one, or maybe we should do the bottom closer to the wall and the first one, that way it's an incline this way. What do you think?
I mean, the chickens could roost either way, so it really just depends on how they decide to use it.
Right, so the longer one should probably be on the bottom, is what I'm saying. So the deeper one should be on the bottom. So we'll go ahead and we'll do this first one, and then we'll come back and we'll show you the whole process, and then we're gonna do the second board. So let's get started. Okay, here is our new roosting system. It's doubled. We'll see if they even get up there. Chickens are kind of particular. So the only thing I'm going to suggest is you might need to drill. So they have a screw in here, and depending on what size dowel rod you have, like ours is a little too thin, so we're gonna need to get a bigger screw for here. Here is the screw. Here is the screw that's in there. We're gonna have to get a little bit longer one to really push that tight. I'm actually thinking that instead of doing that, we might, Elijah's gonna kill me, we might put a little hole in the dowel rod and run wire through this and the hole where the screw goes in, and just tie it tight, and then this won't slide on them. You could also probably use liquid nails to hold it like right into this here. So different solutions depending on what you've got. I think we might have liquid nails. I hate using chemicals in their coop though, but we'll see what works and go from there. have it. Elijah and I, we both finished up the chicken roost and hopefully our chickens will love that. We're going to have to end up letting that cure for a couple of days. It's liquid nails. We'll see how that works. If not, we'll drive, you know, a hole through the dowel and just put some wire through it. You just come up with whatever you can come up with on the homestead. So, but there you have it. There's your DIY chicken roost. It looks a little bit better than just putting a pallet up against it. So remember, if we can do our own DIY chicken roost, anybody can. Thanks. Bye.